Hello students, in this class we will discuss about the clippers. Clippers is the first point. It is nothing but the application of the diode. Already we discussed some applications of diode, that is half wave rectifier, full wave rectifiers. Now clipper is an also application of the diode. So by using the diode we will design a clipper circuit. First, what is the clipper circuit means? It is a wave shaping circuit that is used to clip away or remove the portion of the waveform. So generally the main intention is remove the portion of the waveform. For example, we know the waveform is sinusoidal waveform. In order to remove a negative sign, simply by using the clipper we will do this. Otherwise, in order to remove the positive sign, we will remove this by using the clipper circuit. And we can set a limits for the positive half cycle as well as negative half cycle. First of all, clipping means removing, clip away, not clipping. Clip away is nothing but the another name is the remove simply. That's why it will remove the portion. And we have more number of different types of clipper circuits are available. Generally, the clipper classification is like this. More number of clippers, but we can divide a classification. So we can divide three types of classifications. The first classification is depends on the sign. In that, first is positive clipper. Name itself positive clipper means it will remove the positive portion of the waveform. Second, negative clipper. Negative clipper means same thing. It will remove the negative portion of the waveform. Third, combination clipper. Combination clipper means it can remove both negative and positive, depends on the combination. Next one is series clipper. Series clipper means, so I will explain about the series clipper and parallel clipper. Next one is biased clipper. Next one is unbiased clipper. Unbiased clipper. So first we will discuss this classification, then we will move into types of clippers. So here positive clipper means it will remove the positive portion. That means in the signal it will give the output only negative portion. And negative clipper means it will remove the negative portion. It will give on the positive. Combination clipper means it will remove some positive portion as well as some negative portion like this. This is the type. Series clipper means diode and load series connection. Not RL, you can take the load, diode and load series connection. Next, diode and load in parallel connection in the parallel clipper. Biased clipper means, so load has some voltage source. Load has a voltage source. You know that biasing means giving some force by the voltage source. Unbiased means there is no voltage source. So this is the meaning of bias. Unbiased means there is no voltage source. Right. So this is the classification of the clippers. Now we will look into the different types of clippers. In that, first type is positive clipper. Look at here. positive clipper. This is the positive clipper. Look at here. Name itself, it will remove the positive portion of the signal. So so in order to get this, we have a sinusoidal waveform. AC supply is the input, and we are connecting a diode in reverse bias mode, and this is RL is the load. Actually, this is the load. This is the input, VI is the input, and V0 is the output. Input voltage and output voltage. We are giving the input voltage, that is this dotted line is the input. So that's why take it in dotted line in order to understand. And thick line is the output. Thick line is the output. So look at here. For positive half cycle, it is in reverse bias. Generally, you know that reverse bias means open circuit. Open circuit means there is no voltage entering into the load. That's why it is the zero. That's why it is the zero. And for negative half cycle, look at here. This is the negative, and negative supply is connected to the N-type, and both are in forward bias. Then it acts as a short circuit. Then the total current will be flow through to the load to the source. Then the total negative supply will be appear across the supply. So that's why. So at this point, so for this voltage is zero, and for negative half cycle, complete cycle will be represented at the load. Again for the positive it is zero. So that's why it is called as the positive series clipper. Positive means positive waveform is clip away. Series means, observe here, series means both diode as well as load in series connection. That's why it is positive series clipper. And there is no use of the voltage source. That's why it is called unbiased clipper. We can call it as unbiased clipper. Okay, this is about the input and output waveform. Next, second, positive series clipper with positive VR. When what happened, we will look at here. Positive series clipper, that means diode and load in series, but with positive VR. VR means we are giving some reference voltage. That's why it is called bias. Bias means giving some extra voltage. He mentioned positive, but so that's why starting is the plus, it is the positive, and this is the negative. So for this we will understand. So whenever the voltage VR is like this, so it will be represents, this is the VR. Okay. So positive side is become VR, negative side is generally negative. So for positive half cycle, what happened? For positive half cycle, if for example input voltage is less than reference voltage, then what happened? Input voltage is less than reference voltage, it is acts as short circuit. Input voltage is less than reference voltage. For example, for positive half cycle, if input voltage is more than reference voltage, so it is in reverse bias mode. If in first condition, if the input voltage is less than reference voltage, for example more than reference voltage, what happened? The diode is open circuit. Diode become the open circuit. Because input, this is the positive, this is negative. Negative is high compared with the positive. Then it is acts as reverse bias. This is by open circuit. That's why the voltage will, current is 0. Current is 0. But what about V0? The V0, there is no current, means there is no voltage across diode. But in this we have a reference voltage. That reference voltage is represented the current. The voltage across the load resistor is 0 because current is 0, but we have already voltage source, that is VR. That's why V0 is become, output voltage is nothing but the reference voltage. And second condition, if the input voltage is less than the reference voltage. If the input voltage is less than the reference voltage, then automatically it is less value compared with the positive. Negative value is less compared with the, so automatically diode is short circuited, then current will flow through the diode, and the total voltage V0 equals to Vi. V0 equals to Vi. So that's why at this point up to VR, the voltage is, this is a dotted line input, up to this will act as, it will act as, up to this less than VR, it will total voltage, and less than VR it is the total complete voltage, more than VR it is the, it follows like this. This dotted line is the input and this short line is the output. Understand? Is the output. So whenever we are giving some reference voltages, that reference voltage is shown across, put across the VD. So this is the positive side, this is the negative side. Whenever positive side of the diode is more than the negative side, automatically it is forward bias. Whenever the positive side of the diode is less than the negative side of the diode, automatically it is the reverse bias. So by that phenomena, then the current will be flows. Look at here, again the positive clipping is there, but by using the VR, it will show some voltage. The reference point will be increases. Okay, next point is positive series clipper with negative VR. Positive series clipper with negative VR. Simply look at here. This is also positive series clipper because diode and load both are in series, and negative VR. Negative VR means negative is starting, positive is ending side. Ending side. Okay. Now this negative point is, it is the negative VR. It is the negative VR. Okay. All right. Right. And for example, now look at here. For example, if write down here, if input voltage is less than minus VR, if the input voltage is less than this minus VR, take it, this is the minus, so this is the VR, less than this VR input voltage is, then automatically less than minus VR means this part, input voltage is less than minus VR, automatically it is forward bias because positive side is more, negative side is less. Forward bias means the total current will be flow through this, then it become, output will become the input. So this is the minus VR, this is the less than VR, so this portion is less than VR. If input voltage is diode having flow means diode passes current. If input voltage is greater than minus VR, input voltage is greater than minus VR means this is upper part. What happened? Minus VR, positive is less value, negative is high value, then automatically it is open circuit. Whenever it is open circuit, automatically their current is 0. Current 0 means the voltage across resistor is 0. Then the total voltage will become V0, it will become minus VR. V0 will become minus VR. So the V0 will become, this is the minus VR. Understand? Yes. This is the positive side of the sinusoidal waveform is clipped. The remaining part is only negative clip. Negative clip. The next is the positive shunt clipper. So next is the positive shunt clipper. Here first, what is the meaning of the shunt? Shunt means parallel connection. This diode and RL in parallel connection. Look at here. Diode, RL. Load is parallelly connected. Current will be different. Whenever we are connecting parallel, current will be different. That's why it is called the shunt clipper. Why it is positive clipper? Positive means positive portion is clip away. Positive portion is clip away. Simply. Right. Now we will look at here. For assume that this is an ideal diode. So for positive cycle, what happened? For positive cycle, this positive is given to here and positive supply is applied to the P type. Then what happened? This is short circuited. So look at here, for positive cycle, this is the plus and minus and R. Diode will be short circuited. Okay, and this is the R is there and this is the VI and the V0. Look at here, V0 is short circuited, so resistor will be short circuited. The total output voltage will be 0. Total output voltage will be 0. So for positive half cycle, the total voltage will become the 0. So directly I can write like this. For positive half it is 0. But what about the negative half cycle? Now for negative half cycle means this is the negative, take it the positive and resistor. Negative half cycle means it will be negative will be, look at here, negative will be connected to the positive. Negative will be connected to the positive. Automatically reverse bias. Reverse bias means it will act as the open circuit. And we have the load is there, RL. We have the load is there, RL, and this is the V0. Then the total voltage will be represented at here. The total current will be flow through the resistor and the load resistor. Then the total voltage will be, assume that VI, because assume that R is very less. R is very less. That time the total voltage will be input voltage. Then we can draw the waveform like this. The waveform is, the total voltage is like that. Same for positive half cycle, it is the straight line. For negative half cycle, it is the total input voltage. Understand? This is the positive shunt clipper. For positive, it is output voltage is 0. For negative, the output voltage is equal to the input voltage. Okay, right. Move on to next clipper. Here, positive shunt clipper with positive VR. Here also same thing. If it is a positive cycle, for example, it is a positive cycle, then what happen? This will become VR. This will become VR. That means when the input voltage is greater than VR, when the input voltage is greater than VR, when the input voltage is greater than VR, then what happen? It will become short circuit. So it will become short circuit means the current will be flow from this source. Current will be flow from this source. So I can draw here, that will be useful. So I will change the pen. Then you will understand very clearly the ink color. So first for positive half cycle. For positive half cycle means this is the positive and input is greater than reference voltage. If the input is greater than reference voltage, this is the positive reference voltage, because here the place starting is there, minus here, this place is represented the negative, then automatically input is more than the VR. What happened? Diode become short circuited. Diode becomes short circuited means what happened? This is the plus and minus resistor and the short circuited. Next here is the voltage source is there, and this is the RL, and this is the V0. Okay, what happened here? The total current will be flow through these resistor and through the short circuit automatically source, and like this the same current will be flow. Here is the VR. Observe here, this is the voltage. V0 is nothing but voltage across RL, but this RL is parallel to the VR. Then automatically all the voltages are same. That's why V0 is become VR. V0 is become VR. So for more than VR, the voltage is become VR. That's why for more than VR, the voltage is become this VR. Understand? Right. Next, for negative half cycle. Next condition is for negative half cycle. What happened for negative half cycle? For example, negative half cycle means, take the negative cycle. If V input is less than VR, greater than is completed. If the less than VR, what happened? Less than VR means already VR is there and the negative is there. If the less than VR means it will become open circuit. So diode become the open circuit. We can write like this. So this is the supply, negative and positive, or leave the negative and positive directly, you know that. And this is become open circuit and the VR, and this is the RL, and this is the V0. Okay, so this is the open circuit actually, because so whenever the open circuit is there, this V0 is voltage across the RL, and that is nothing but voltage across the open circuit voltage. The total voltage will be shown at this thing. That means the total voltage is appear across the V0. Appeared across the V0. Then we can write the total voltage is, for less than VR, the total voltage is like this. The less than VR, the total voltage is like this. Understand? Yes. So this is the positive shunt clipper with positive VR. So negative also, if you are doing the negative, this is also become like this. These also become like this. So for negative shunt, more than this voltage it become a negative, and so more than this become the positive, and it will show only negative part, and this is the positive part. If you analyze like above, you will get the same thing. You will get the same thing. This is the clipper analysis and different positive clippers. Up to now we discussed only the positive clippers. If you observe these clippers, positive, everything is represented with the positive series clipper. That means there is no bias, there is no positive elements. And with VR, more than VR there is no, and if negative, up after the negative bias there is no voltage. And for the positive shunt clipper also same thing, but there is no positive. And shunt clipper with positive VR also, above positive VR there is no waveform. Here positive shunt clipper with negative VR also, after the negative VR there is no thing. So first, in order to understand anything, just you divide the circuit components, and each and everything how the diode will act, that will decide the, it will be short circuit and open circuit. Then you will understand what happened inside the circuit. Okay. Okay students, thank you.